Alright guys, so luckily now we can actually test it out on the car. So we're gonna go ahead and actually plug this in. Just like that. Power this on. Yep, there it is. It's on, ready to go. So let's hook it up to the battery.
Where's the battery? Right here?
So do this one first. Just like that. This one here. Alright, and we should be good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and have my wife jump start it. It should fire right up. Let's unlock it. Unlock it. Oh, yep. Oh, there it is. Fired right up. Happy little camper.